Hi everyone, my name is Connor Shevley. I'm a dev at Hyperbolic Labs, and I'm really excited to share with you all something that we've been working on. We all know how to use the LLM chat apps that exist today. Between ChatGPT, Gemini, Cloud, DeepSeek, they're all great at simplifying the user experience and making things really easy for users. However, one thing they lack is control, and this is part of their design. But if you're a dev in the AI space, you probably want a little bit more granularity in how you're actually sending requests to the models between the different input parameters and viewing exactly what's going on in your chat app. So we built a chat app for the nerds. Here we are at the Explore page. You can see all the different models that we support. You also set favorites, view your recently used models, and you can search. So let's check out the latest DeepSeek model. I'm just going to click tab to autocomplete the placeholder text and pass it in. And this whole experience should be very familiar to you. The goal is to build a very easy to use chat app that's similar to the great examples that exist today, but that gives you a little bit more control. And that's what this is over here, the control bar, where you can see exactly what the different parameters that are available to be passed into the model are and set them to whatever values you want. Also, while you're making changes to the controls and the prompt, all of that is updated live using this live adjustment toggle right here in the API section right down here. So you can see exactly what the API request that we're sending to the API looks like for the different models that exist. And these are all models that are available through the Hyperbolic API. So, you can go just copy this curl, paste it into your terminal, and you're off to the races. So that's a text model. We also have completion text models, mostly just the different llama models. They work. This should be a very familiar completion UI. We have vision language models. Where are they? They're there. So let's attach an image. That man riding a horse in SF. And it does a good job. Good job, Quen. We also have image generation models. Let's generate an image of a man riding a horse. Fantastic. And audio generation.
Los Angeles, the city of angels.
So all these different models are a very familiar user experience here, but with a little bit more control. Another cool thing that we did at the same time is we built all of this on top of the Vercel AI SDK. If you haven't checked it out and you're a TypeScript developer, definitely recommend checking it out. But all of the features, all of the different models in here are built using the AI Vercel SDK. Fully open source. You're welcome to go check it out, contribute to it, please, if you'd like, and build your own TypeScript app using this new package that exists. But that's about it. Thanks so much, everyone, and thanks so much to the team that helped put this together between product design, the devs. If you have any feedback, please feel free to let us know. The goal is to make this as great as possible for all the devs out there. So thanks so much.